Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Search Console, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you view your website external backlinks? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to check your website external backlinks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing blogs, you know that external backlinks pointing to your website are really important for SEO. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Search Console. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Search Console, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to check your site's external backlinks, here on the top left, make sure that you're working in the correct property. Once you've chosen the correct website, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see this button here, links. Once you click on there, you're going to scroll down until you see this box here, top linking sites. So these are websites that are pointing to your website. They're called backlinks, and you want to click on the blue more button. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the external links to your website. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find the external backlinks to your website, that's the easiest way I know how to find it in the Google Search Console. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.